Hi, a user post about problem MTK detecting slow pinout. I want to show you something. First of all, you need to check this check arrow. You can see this arrow must be in same in this thumbnail. You can see this check is connected this arrow and this thumbnail must be in same. See. Secondly, you must verify that your power cable is connected well. So this is mobile. Here is some trick that MTK tab selected, auto, read info, auto detect pinouts and run. I have to press and hold power button. You see in few seconds it detected. And when it's now downloading boots, you can release power button. See, read, phone information success. Now here is some trick that if you press and hold power button and release here cannot setting complete, then it will not continue. You see the waiting for phone response, please press on off button. If I press here power button again, you see it's not detecting. So this problem is just of power button press and hold. So here I'm continue again. Selected, auto detect not selected and run. And here the press and hold power button. You see in few seconds is detected and setting pinout setting complete and continue. When it's boot downloading, you can release power button. If you release power button before boot downloading, so it will not continue. So you have to press and hold power button till it start boot downloading. You understand? Okay, let me show you again. Here I click run and press and hold power button. So here when it say pinout complete, I release power button. So it not continue. You see, it's not continue. I press stop, then run again. Then I press and hold power button. And when it say boot downloading, you can release the power button. If you release power button before downloading, boot downloading, so it may show this error. If software continuing this one error, it will show. So you have to press on power button till it say boot downloading. So I hope you can solve your problem. Thank you.